Hey there, in this quick video, we're going to demonstrate how to create an image-only pop-up in PopConvert. Now, you might want to create an image-only pop-up if you designed an image in a third-party photo editor, for example, Photoshop or Canva, and we allow creating a pop-up using this image in PopConvert. So just as a quick demo, here's an example of an image-only pop-up, and you can see that the only content in the pop-up is the image itself. There's no other content blocks in this pop-up. So we'll start from scratch and just kind of demonstrate how this works. So I'll go ahead and click on the pop-ups tab here on the navigation menu, click Create Pop-up, and say My New Image Pop-up, give it a name, click Create. All right, and now we're given our initial design. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the content blocks and remove all of the content blocks just so we have sort of a blank canvas that we can begin to work with. Now I'll go ahead and click the image block and add an image. So I'm going to upload a file here, and we'll just use that same bird thumbnail that we had previously used. All right, now the image has been uploaded, and you can see that the image is not yet taking up the entire width of the canvas. So we're going to go ahead and increase this up to 100%. And what we'll go ahead and do is change the pop-up padding in the design section to 0. And that'll just remove that little white border around the image. That's actually the padding for the entire pop-up. Alternatively, you can also leave the padding there and set a background color, maybe one that matches with the image. For now, we'll go ahead and just remove the padding. So I'll go ahead and click Save, and we'll preview it here. Enter the site. I'll click Preview once more. All right, perfect. And you can see now that we've got our image-only pop-up. One common request with the image-only pop-up is uh, we would want to direct the user if they click anywhere on the image. So this can currently be achieved using our custom JavaScript implementation. So I'm going to go over here to Settings and click Custom JavaScript, just enable that. And we'll click on this document here and we will copy. There's an option here called click pop-up or smart bar to open URL. Go ahead and copy that code in here, paste this code. And what this code is essentially doing is it's saying, okay, if somebody clicks on the pop-up, redirect them to this URL. Currently, the URL is just google.com, but you can, of course, change this to any URL of your liking. So we'll go ahead and click Save here, click Preview, and now if the user clicks on the pop-up, it will redirect them to the appropriate URL. And there you go. We have our image-only pop-up. Let us know if you have any questions. Thanks.